Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. Markets opened flat, but there was a lot of action. In the morning, the markets came down, then markets started moving higher, and yesterday's high was taken out. And not only yesterday's high was taken out, the Nifty future almost shot up 60-70 points above yesterday's high. Then as usual after 2 p.m. the selling came, and yesterday after 2 p.m. Nifty fell about 150 points from intraday high to intraday low. I think today it has fallen more than that. I think today approximately Nifty has fallen 200 points from intraday high to low. Number one, Reliance was weak since morning, and number two, the banking stocks were not impressive. Say for example, yesterday's high was taken out by Nifty, but Bank Nifty was far away from yesterday's high. So that was, there was some kind of a selling was happening in both Reliance and banking stocks. It's because of other stocks markets went up. And yesterday, I just mentioned yesterday evening that Nirmala Sitharaman is likely to be appointed as a finance minister. That has happened. And today morning I said, markets can take positive things, markets can take negative things, but markets cannot take uncertainties. Say for example, if the market, if there is some positive thing, market will move higher, that news will be factored in, and then after that the usual trade goes on. Or if a negative things come, the one day market falls, that is being factored in, and then market goes, as per normal trading. But when there is uncertainty, so that is when the market cannot take it. That's why when the market become too volatile, go up and come down, for no reason. So as of yesterday, after the announcement of portfolios for all the ministers and all the uncertainties related to politics is completely over. So, it is natural that the volatility index will fall today, but even I tell you honestly, I did not expect 10% fall in India VIX today. And today the India VIX has fallen almost 10%. It was 9.95% I think. So that's a very, very big fall. Remember on June 4, the India VIX was more than 30 and now it has come below 15. So that's more than 50% crash in just last few trading session. That's number one. Number two, very important, India VIX, if it is below 15, that is generally considered as a sign of stable market and a bull market. Stable market, but markets will eventually go higher. If the VIX is between 15 and 30, then it is considered to be volatile market, and if the VIX is more than 30, it will be highly volatile, but eventually market will go down. So therefore, the option sellers, they are the happiest lot, and because for the last few trading sessions, VIX was on the downward trajectory and giving good profit. Today look at those who have done short straddle yesterday, whatever, whether you are doing 23,000 short straddle or 23,100 or 23,200 or 23,300, all the short straddle have given almost 100 rupees premium profit. That was, equivalent to 5% return in just one trading session. Market closed absolutely flat, although intraday there was a very big move, but market closed almost flat. But the short straddle people have made 5% profit in just one trading session. I posted in social media also. So my son has made another, he has actually made another 30 lakh rupees profit. But I posted as of afternoon, 1 or 1:30, I don't remember the exact time. So it was more than 25 lakh rupees. So after a very, very long time, the option sellers are so happy, they are making profit almost on a day-to-day basis, and because VIX keep going down, option premium keeps going down. And number two, there are no injection stories. You may remember few days before or few months, weeks before, there were a lot of injection stories. A sudden abrupt fall or abrupt rise, abnormal fall or abnormal rise. Those things are not happening. And although markets are a bit volatile, and today also Nifty has fallen about, shot up almost 250, 270 points from intraday low, then fall 200 points. Everything was happening gradually, not with any sudden movement. So that is very, very important for option writers. So after a long time, so this June series has become a good series for option writers. So now all political uncertainties are over. So now the markets will be focusing on other things. And now it's natural for markets to, be a little bit jittery ahead of FOMC meeting. And that's why the European futures are lower and US futures are also lower. And FII and DI data is still not out. Okay, probably what I feel, mutual funds are getting so much money from SIP, and FIIs, since they've been selling for the last 5 months, now there is a stable government, stable policies, they are trying to buy. I think when both domestic institutions and foreign institutions are trying to become slightly euphoric, okay, I think that it is the retail people who are putting the water on the fire. So I would say right now, retail people are getting more and more smart. Anyway, we will wait for the data, and we'll see you tomorrow morning. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.